1-2-3 Salsa is quite simply the best jalapeno salsa mix in Texas. Chips and salsa are a favorite for parties, but finding a great salsa to serve your family and friends is often trial and error. Since you are known as a gourmet cook, you really don't like serving a mass-produced salsa. Now you can make your own homemade salsa with real jalapenos by using the 1-2-3 jalapeno salsa mix. This is super easy to use. Just take a can of petite diced tomatoes and mix in the jalapeno salsa mix. It's as simple as 1-2-3. This jalapeno salsa mix is made in Texas for a truly authentic taste and can be used for sour cream dips, chicken seasoning, guacamole, and more.